Imagine standing at the edge of a living masterpiece, a place often called the last paradise on earth. This is Raja Ampat, our precious gem in Indonesia, known globally for its spectacular underwater world. However, this paradise now faces a huge threat of destructive mining activities. Although I haven't set up my foot directly on these shores, but I've watched countless photos and videos which impressed me with Raja Ampat underwater beauty. And hearing about this issue gives me deep sadness, but a strong desire to protect and preserve it, not only just for the nature, but for all of us as Indonesians. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello Indonesia, I'm Kimidadi Yudanarko, and I'm very honored to stand here as Mahasiswa Berprestasi 2025 from Politeknik Negeri Jember. Right now, I want to discuss about a critical issue globally, which is the urgent need to protect Raja Ampat directly aligned with Sustainable Development Goals number 14, Life Below Water. SDG 14 calls us to conserve and sustainably use our ocean resources. Raja Ampat is a perfect example of home to the world's highest marine biodiversity, including an estimated of 75% of all known coral species. However, this precious gem is under severe pressure from large-scale mining operations. These activities on small and fragile islands have large and immediate impacts on our oceans. Reports from the Greenpeace indicated over 500 hectares of forests were damaged on land, and this destruction on land causes a greater devastation on life below water. The most alarming impact on Raja Ampat underwater is sedimentation. When mining operations disturb the land, huge amounts of soil and rocks particles easily wash out to the sea. The Minister of Marine Affairs and Fisheries has warned us about how this sediment can literally bury our coral reefs and seaweeds. And this vital underwater ecosystem cannot survive when they are covered, as they block the essential sunlight they need to live. This process can also cause harmful substances, polluting the clear ocean water, and threatens directly to the fish and other marine creatures. And in order to respond to the widespread public concern, in this week, June 10, 2025, President Prabowo Subianto has ordered the revocation of 4 mining permits in Raja Ampat. This action, supported by the Minister of Energy and Mineral Resources, has shown us that environment protection is a priority to protect our natural legacy and safeguard this protection area for future generations. I fully support these actions because it shows that dedication and commitment to protect our nature's treasure. Now, the government's action is a crucial first step, but the responsibility applies to all of us. We must work together to preserve Raja Ampat's unique marine biodiversity for generations. It requires sustainable practice, marine conservation programs, and empowering local communities to protect the ocean environment, not only just at Raja Ampat, but all Indonesia. This is our shared responsibility as Indonesians. As students and young agents of change, we have a vital role to voice our advocate for a stronger marine protect policies and support sustainable practice. Through education and protections, we can ensure that our actions protect every part of Indonesia's marine wealth, and giving up a powerful example of SDG 14 globally. Every small action, every voice raised, contributes to a greater goals. Let's move to a healthier life below water and a more sustainable future for Indonesia. Let us ensure that the last paradise on earth not only just remains as a beautiful memory, but will be a living future for Indonesia's next generations. Let's not just listen today, let's action. Love the earth and the earth will love you back. That's all. I'm Kimidadi Yudanarko. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.